The Vivo X300 and X300 Pro are upcoming flagship smartphones from Vivo, with a focus on photography. The Vivo X300 and X300 Pro are the latest flagships from Vivo, with the Pro model receiving the most attention in early reviews and hands-on impressions. They are positioned as camera-first smartphones, offering significant upgrades over their predecessors, the X200 series. Vivo will be the first brand to launch Dimensity 9500 powered phones. The company will unveil the Vivo X300 series on October 13 in China. The lineup includes the standard X300 and the higher-end X300 Pro. As per leaks, both devices use BOE's Q10 Plus LTPO OLED displays with a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The X300 has a 6.31-inch screen, while the X300 Pro features a 6.78-inch panel. The panels support minimum brightness as low as 1 nit for better eye protection. Vivo has equipped both models with the Dimensity 9500 chip. This enables faster performance, hardware-based ray tracing, and AI enhancements for imaging and power management. The X300 Pro has a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-828 sensor, a 200-megapixel Samsung HPB periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel JN5 ultra-wide camera. The X300 has a slightly different configuration, using the same 200-megapixel HPB sensor as its main camera, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-602 periscope unit. Both phones support 4K 60 FPS portrait video recording and Zeiss optics. According to a recent leak, the X300 will feature a 6,040 mAh battery, while the X300 Pro will use a larger 6,510 mAh unit. Both support 90-watt wired charging and fast wireless charging. The phones will ship with Android 16 and Vivo's Origin OS 6, which includes ecosystem support for Apple devices. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.